India has issued a sharp rebuttal to growing speculation about nuclear tensions with Pakistan. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has said he was frankly astonished by the very suggestion of a nuclear war between the two nations. His comments came during an interview with the German newspaper FAZ, where he was asked about the nuclear risk in the context of the recent Pahalgam terror attack. Jaishankar, currently on the final leg of his three nation Europe tour, firmly denied that any situation had escalated to a nuclear level during what is now being referred to as Operation Sindoor. Quoting him directly, very, very far away. I'm frankly astonished by your question. At no point was a nuclear level reached. End quote. He went on to criticize what he called a persistent narrative that, and I quote, everything that happens in our part of the world leads directly to a nuclear problem. End quote. Jaishankar warned that this mindset, especially in Western discourse, encourages and legitimizes terrorism. When questioned about Pakistan's links to the attackers behind the Pahalgam incident, Jaishankar didn't hold back. He said, and I quote, anyone who was not blind could see that terrorist organizations were operating openly from Pakistani cities and towns. End quote. He pointed out that the United Nations Security Council's terror list is full of Pakistani names and locations, and stressed that these same locations have been targeted by India, leaving no doubt about the clarity of intelligence and the transparency of India's actions. He said, and I quote, in Pakistan, terrorism is a very open business, a business that is supported, financed, organized, and used by the state and by the military. End quote. Jaishankar also detailed India's military response to the Pahalgam attack. He said New Delhi had sent a clear signal that there is a cost to such actions. When Pakistani forces initiated firing, India responded in self defense. Eventually, when Pakistan realized the consequences, the firing stopped. That mutual understanding, reached around May 10, has held since then. And according to Jaishankar, I quote, this situation has not changed for 2 weeks. End quote. The minister made these remarks while wrapping up his diplomatic visit to Germany, Denmark, and the Netherlands, a tour aimed at strengthening India's partnerships in Europe. But clearly, the focus turned to Pakistan, terrorism, and the misleading global narrative of nuclear war, a narrative Jaishankar is keen to correct.